So we're gonna go out here and start this Audi, and I already did once and it doesn't sound good. It sounds like something's broken. It's a beautiful day outside, as you can see, it raining everywhere. Hopefully I don't get too much water on the lens. And I brought my tools this time, including Jake.
Hey.
He's the other tool. Now Tool, get in there and start the car. See, that was the joke at your expense.
We'd wait till it starts raining.
Pop the hood!
Hold ahead, fart knocker. Did you say fart knocker?
Yes. It's on the side. There you go. Because I brought this. You can hold on for a second. All right, spin it over.
Uh-oh.
Keep going.
Have to go deeper.
Yep. Not that easy. All right, you can stop.
Gonna have to go deeper.
Yep. All right, we have pushed it in. Start it again. Okay. What is up with that first missing? We can do a relative compression test and find out which cylinder that is if we can get a signal off that coil. We'll do that. Now we're gonna see if we can see the other camshaft turning. Well, oh, we need the jump box. Boo. And I also think, yeah, I think that's it, because it didn't, that cam lobe didn't budge. Hold on, let me get the jump box back on. Let's one-hander this. Yeah. I gotta get around all my crap. So yeah, we scanned it. I was checking some codes and found a few. I'll explain them to you here in a second once I throw my flashlight on the floor and then hook up the jump box. I like this jump box. It's my favorite one because it gives you this beautiful, beautiful switch on the front. So that way if you get it backward, you're not screwed. So, all right, let me get the flashlight again. Oh, there it is. Yoink. All right, fire it over. Yeah, all right, stop. Okay, chain borked. All right, we finally got a camera that I can see out of. So let's see. We got any schmacked valves? Let's look up. Yep. There's one. I'll put the video on the screen. It looks like, is that one shut? Nope, it tagged them both. Let's go check one of the other cylinders. This one's oily, oh my goodness. Ooh, that valve got hit. That one to your, the second, I think this is the intake side. Can't tell which, nope, exhaust side. Is that, maybe it's not off center. Just looks it. Oh, let me bump it over real quick. See if that'll get those center pistons down a little bit. Just a little bump. I just wanted to, maybe just a touch more. Oh man, seemed like it brought it right back up. Super oily. Far enough down. back to cylinder 1 again. I want to look at that one, because that one definitely got hit. You can see that one right there. It should be on your screen at the moment. Oh, look at it. It's overlapping the other valve. Yeah. That one's... Are they stuck on each other? Well, that's definitely no good. So I'm gonna take some pictures of this to the customer. All right, let's see. Bump it over again. All right, I'll get all these pictures and then we'll get back to it. So I drew a stupid quick diagram to explain this real fast, what happened with this engine. So this is your timing belt. This goes around the front. This goes from your crankshaft to your camshaft. Your camshaft then runs through the engine. These are the valves. This picture is 100% best art ever. This is the chain. The dotted line is the chain that connects the one valve to the other. There's an adjuster here that allows the cams to turn to adjust valve timing. Well, what happened is something back here didn't happen, and this cam is staying still. So as the piston comes up and this cam's turning, nothing's happening back here, and this piston comes up, and whatever valves are open, whenever the piston rises, it smacks it. And then it comes back down, and then it runs up again and smacks it. And so usually when something like this chain or this chain breaks, 90% of engines are interference, so they will hit valves. I've had a couple that have survived, but it's very rare. But anyway, you can see where this one is. You saw it in the videos. I just wanted to give you a full scope of what you're looking at, so that way you understand. Thanks for watching.